Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel or modify bookings on Trip.com using our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Trip.com app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the booking section, tap the booking or my trips. Then at the top, tap on all bookings. Here you will see flight, hotels and transport bookings. Now select the booking you want to cancel or modify. Tap the booking to open its details. You will see information like dates, times, hotel, address, and policies. To cancel a booking, look for the cancel button. Tap cancel and Trip.com will show the cancellation rules. Some bookings may have full refund, partial refund, or no refund. Depending on the policy, confirm your cancellation by tapping confirm. If you want to modify a booking, look for the change or modify option. Tap it to update details like dates, times, number of travelers, or route types. Trip.com will show any extra charges or price difference before you confirm the change. After cancelling or modifying, you will receive a confirmation on Trip.com and through email. Check your booking sections to make sure the updates are applied correctly. Also remember that some bookings have a deadline for free changes or cancellations. Check the cancellation or modification policy before booking to avoid extra fee. Finally, if you face any issue, you can contact Trip.com support directly through the app, and a representative can assist you with cancellation or modification. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily cancel or modify a booking on Trip.com on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.